In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout link on Whop. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Whop. When the results appear, click the official Whop website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Whop branding and a clear option to sign in. Go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard. The dashboard is your main control center, where you manage products, plans, and the tools customers use to pay. On the left-hand menu, click Checkout Links. This area is built specifically for creating direct purchase links, which send customers straight to a payment page without needing a full storefront or extra setup. In the top right corner, click the plus Create Checkout Link button. This opens a guided flow that keeps everything organized. First, choose the specific product or plan you want the link for. Select the exact item customers will be purchasing, whether it's a subscription, an access tier, or a one-time product. Picking the right item ensures the link delivers the correct checkout experience every time. Next, add a clear description. Keep it concise but informative, so it's easy for you and your customers to recognize. Including the product name, tier, and key context helps prevent confusion and supports a smooth purchase. Under pricing, decide whether this should be recurring or a one-time option. Recurring is perfect for memberships and subscriptions, one-time suits single purchases. After you choose, enter the price, and, if it's recurring, set the billing interval, such as every 1 month. Make sure the amount and interval match how you present the offer on your site or in your marketing. Your currency and tax handling will follow your store's settings, so double-check those if needed. Select the payment method you want to accept for this checkout link. Depending on your setup, you may see card payments or other supported providers. Choose what best serves your customers and your payout preferences. When everything looks correct, click Create Checkout Link. If you're setting this up for a brand new product, you may see an Add Product option. Use that to finalize and generate the link. Whop will create a dedicated URL based on your selections, and it will appear in your Checkout Links section so you can access it later. And that's it. You've created a checkout link on Whop tailored to the product, pricing, and payment method you selected. You can always return to the Checkout Links area to review your links and keep everything organized for future offers.